In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Messenger app for Facebook Marketplace in 2025. We'll explore how to navigate it efficiently to enhance your buying or selling experience. So, let's dive right in and get you comfortable with the platform's features. First, grab your device and open the Messenger app. This app is your gateway to communicating with potential buyers and sellers. It's versatile and an essential tool if you're active on Facebook Marketplace. Once you have Messenger open, look for the Marketplace icon located on the left side of the app. This icon is the key to accessing all your Marketplace interactions, where you'll find all the communications associated with the items you're either looking to sell or buy. After clicking on the Marketplace icon, you'll see a new interface that displays a plethora of customer messages. This section is where you can manage your ongoing Marketplace transactions. Here, you'll find separate threads for each item or transaction, making it straightforward to communicate with different buyers or sellers without mixing up conversations. As you navigate through these customer messages, you have several options to organize your interactions. If you've successfully sold an item, you can mark the conversation as such by using the Mark as Sold option. This feature is particularly helpful in keeping your chat list uncluttered and focused on active transactions. If a conversation becomes irrelevant or you no longer wish to be part of it, you have the choice to leave the group chat. This option is handy for discontinued negotiations or when your involvement in a transaction is complete. Additionally, should you encounter any discomfort or inappropriate behavior, Messenger equips you with the tools to report or block users. This functionality ensures that your experience remains safe and pleasant, allowing you to maintain control over who you interact with during your buying or selling activities. Reaching out to individuals is seamless through this platform, with all contacts easily accessible. Initiating a conversation or continuing an existing one is just a click away. Keeping communication open, clear, and concise with other marketplace users can significantly enhance your shopping or selling effectiveness, helping transactions run smoothly. Remember, practice makes perfect. By frequently using the Messenger app for your marketplace needs, you'll become more adept at recognizing the subtleties of each feature, ultimately making your online interactions more enjoyable and efficient. Keep these tips in mind and you'll be navigating the marketplace on Messenger like a pro in no time. Thank you for watching this guide on how to utilize Messenger for Facebook Marketplace. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your marketplace experience. Feel free to browse through our other videos for more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital transactions.